Welcome to this quick and effective strategy using the 50 moving average, ideal for trending markets. Disclaimer: this is for educational purposes only. No financial advice here. Use a demo account first, master the setup, and then scale. And if you need a trusted broker to test this strategy, check the link in the description. Here's what we're breaking down. Strategy overview. Buy setup explained. Sell setup explained. Chart examples. Conclusion, and much more. Before we dive into the charts, let's set the foundation. This strategy is designed to remove the noise and give you clear, repeatable entries using moving averages and basic price action. No fancy indicators, no lag, just structure, momentum, and logic. Whether you're scalping intraday or swing trading on the 4-hour or daily, this system adapts across time frames. We're focused on two core things: when price crosses a key moving average, and whether it confirms the breakout or breakdown with a strong candle. From there, we target the next logical high or low based on structure. It's simple, it's clean, and it works if you follow the rules. So let's jump in and break it down, step by step. Price crosses above the 50 MA. A bullish confirmation candle closes above the 50 MA. Entry after confirmation close. Target the most recent swing high to your left. Stop loss below the confirmation candle or recent swing low. Opposite for sell. Price crosses below the 50 MA. A bearish confirmation candle closes below the 50 MA. Entry after confirmation close. Target the most recent swing low to your left. Stop loss below the confirmation candle or recent swing high. Let's walk through some examples. Price moves above the 50 moving average, followed by a bullish candle that closes clearly above it. We place a buy trade on the next candle, set the stop loss just below the confirmation candle, and target the most recent visible swing high to the left. Here's the opposite version for a sell setup. Price moves below the 50 moving average, followed by a bearish candle that closes clearly below it. We place a sell trade on the next candle, set the stop loss just above the confirmation candle, and target the most recent visible swing low to the left. Before you go risk capital on this, here's what to remember. No moving average cross and no confirmation candle means no trade. Avoid trading in choppy or sideways markets. Always use higher time frame structure to guide your direction. Lock in profits or trail your stop once price approaches the target zone. Remember, one well-planned trade beats 5 random ones every time. For smooth execution, tight spreads, and reliable charting tools, check the broker link in the description. Only the best ones made the list. Thanks for watching. Now you've got a solid price action plus MA strategy in your toolbox. Backtest it, master it, then scale it. Drop your questions or results in the comments. Stay sharp. Trade smart. Peace out.